Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium, ka dukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam, hakador ka babit.
Kat baki wei ki sengsan perthai kila nang penbena sha ye ka Kyrtong jong ki Kyrtong kiban aireng ha ki election she ki yeng dorbar thau an jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kaban salong ha ka khandai tarik ubna yayong 2000 arpuai. Handrai na kalyang jong ka seng Congress hadu menta kadang wat ye ki breu ki babiang ban penyekun ha ka election kanang man yora ya ka jingjob ka babon pat. Unong ilam jong kalyang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma habaye keren bat kilat pathai kubor ulaong baka Congress ka donye ka jingsngos kem bahaka ni ka kenti kan yo thau ye ka executive committee hapo kani ka district council kabadan harilom garo hadin balakut ka election.
You know, we are handling a tough job, trying to decide the candidates, shortlist the candidate based on the inputs that we receive from different or respective constituencies. And fortunately, we have been able to shortlist and announce the list of the candidates, both first and second list. We continue to work on because we have quite a substantial number of aspirants who have volunteered themselves to be the candidate. That's the joy of abundance, but it also has its own associated challenges when we deal with many aspirants and try to ensure that they come together and work for the candidate who has been nominated by the party. So that job is still on. This is that the party as a party has taken based on the ground realities, and in certain cases you will still have lack of unanimity in such decisions, and you will these are something which are though seen as surprises, but we are always prepared for such surprises. See, we have a mechanism, discussions are on, consultations are on, so hopefully we'll have the outcome, a productive outcome out of that consultations. So people are engaged in consultation, and we will look at what is good for the people, for the state, because when we nominate someone, we look at all those angles, multiple angles. Political dynamics will always be there. Now, why they have the differences is something which you have to ask them. You know, we won't be able to respond on their behalf. But it's quite interesting. It's quite interesting that issues are there. Issues are being taken up by a number of political parties, including the political parties which are part of the coalition government. And the issues are known to all of us. Now, if the issue is pertaining to corruption, government has to come open. There is a need to be transparent in all aspects. If there is an allegation, they have to come clear. They can't say that, okay, you prove me. Proving against any allegation will happen when there is an investigation. An investigation which is considered as something which cannot be tampered upon, which cannot be influenced by the people in authority. So that's what exactly is required from the side of the government as their response to these allegations. Now, these allegations are not coming only from political parties. These allegations are also coming from multiple stakeholders. Okay, it's abundantly clear that something is wrong. Now, what is the response? The response of the government, whether they are trying to come clean. Then we have to believe that, rather, I must say, I have reasons to believe, beyond any reasonable doubt, that they have something to hide. Something to hide against the interests of the state, against the interests of the people.